Hey learners, today I am going to share some of the most effective English practice techniques that you can start using right now to improve your English fluency, pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary. Let's jump right in. Number first is shadowing technique. What is it? In this technique, you have to listen to native English audio and repeat it at the same time as the speaker like a shadow. How to do it? Second thing is choose a short video clip or audio like a TED talk or scene from a movie and listen and try to repeat exactly what they say, matching their speed, tone, and rhythm. Do it daily for 5 to 10 minutes. Why it works? It improves pronunciation, fluency, and listening skills at the same time. The second technique is about thinking in English. You have to think in English. What it is? Instead of translating from your native language to English, try to think directly in English. For example, if you are a Urdu speaker and you think something in Urdu and then translate it into English while speaking in your mind, so instead of this practice, you can think directly in English. How to do it? When you see something, name it in English. This is a chair. I'm going to cook now, etc. Narrate your day in simple English sentences inside your mind. Why it works? It reduces hesitation and makes speaking feel more natural. The third technique is about daily speaking practice. It is very important. What it is? Practice speaking English aloud every day, even if you don't have a partner. How to do it? Record yourself speaking about your day, your goals, or any topic. Use apps like Hello Talk, Tandem, or find speaking faster on social media. If you are shy, speak in front of a mirror. This technique is very important and you have to practice daily without any hesitation. Why it works? It boosts confidence and helps identify areas for improvement. The fourth technique is about using flashcards for vocabulary. Improvement of vocabulary is very important for speaking English fluently. What it is? Learning vocabulary actively with visual tools. How to do it? Use apps like Anki or Quizlet to review flashcards daily. Group files by theme. Example: food, emotions, business. Add example sentences to each flashcard. Why it works? Repetition with context makes words easier to remember and use. This technique is highly important and you have to focus on it as well. The fifth technique is about reading and paraphrasing. Read aloud and paraphrase. What it is? Reading out loud improves pronunciation and paraphrasing strengthens grammar. How to do it? Read an article, short story, or news in English, then try to retell the story in your own words. Record and listen to your version. Why it works? Helps improve grammar, speaking flow, and listening. Note that this technique is very important because reading aloud will improve your pronunciation and speaking skills, while paraphrasing will enhance your understanding about the text. Technique number 6: watch English with subtitles. What it is? Improves listening, vocabulary, and sentence structure. How to do it? Watch with subtitles first to understand. For example, if you are watching a movie, watch it with subtitles and understand it. Then rewatch the same scene without subtitles and note down new expressions or idioms. That will help improve your understanding about the same scene. Why it works? You train your ears, brain to understand spoken English naturally. Number 7. Write a journal in English. What it is? Daily writing builds grammar and vocabulary naturally. How to do it? Spend 5 to 10 minutes daily writing about your day, thoughts, or opinions. Try to use new vocabulary or idioms you learned. Review it weekly and correct mistakes. Why it works? Writing reinforces learning and improves sentence structure and expression. Technique number 8, last but not the least. Practice English MCQs and quizzes. What it is? Great for grammar, synonyms, and idioms practice, just like the content on this channel. How to do it? Attempt MCQs, quizzes regularly, review answers, and understand why your answer was right or wrong. Practice speaking out the question and answer. Why it works? Boosts confidence for exams and strengthens overall English skills. Start with one or two techniques and stay consistent. Remember, fluency doesn't come overnight, but with daily practice, you will definitely see progress. If you found these tips useful, don't forget to like, comment your favorite technique, and subscribe for more English learning videos. Keep learning. Thank you.